this video, I'm going to show you how to use a filter in Excel and an advanced filter in Excel. Okay, so here we have a table in front of us. First of all, if you want to apply a filter to a table, you have two ways. Method one is you can go right here, data. You can go right here, data. In data, you can press filter. It applies. Can you see the filter now? Right? Or the second method is you can select the entire table, or you can select the headings of the table and apply the shortcut. The shortcut would be Alt D F F. Can you see the filter, guys? Right? So these are the two methods to use a filter. Now let's get into how to use the filter. I have applied the filter, but what are the uses? How can I use this filter? So I will show you how to use a filter. Can you see this? After designation, there is an arrow, downward arrow, drop down, right? Can you see this? If you click on this, you have a something popped up, right? Here you can deselect or select a single one analyst. Let's say I've selected analyst. I want to see all the analysts, irrespective of the department, irrespective of the city, or irrespective of the product they sell. I have all the analysts in this organization. When you want to deselect something, directly click on it and clear filter. Okay, so let's explore a bit more in this filter. Suppose I want people who are working in Hyderabad. I'll deselect everything and I'll select Hyderabad, and I will apply an extra filter here, and I will apply a second filter here, designation. I want only executives, right? There are only two people with this criteria who are working in Hyderabad and with a designation of executive, right? This is how you filter. This is how you use the filter. Okay, whenever you want to deselect, just clear filter, right? So this is all about filter. So what can an advanced filter do? So you have already explored two benefits, like you can designate, so in filters you have already learned how to filter two different or three different categories, right? You can filter by city, you can filter by designation, you can filter three different combinations or four different combinations. But what if you have different kind of permutations and combinations? For example, you want all the analysts working in the organization. Suppose you want all the assistant working in the organization, irrespective of the city, department, or anything, and you want someone from admin who is working in Hyderabad. So you have two different completely separate criterias. How do you do it? You use advanced filter for this. Copy the heading and paste it wherever it is convenient for you. After pasting it, there are two ways to approach this advanced filter. First method is you go to data here. Can you see data here? You go to data and you press advanced, right? The second method is there is a shortcut Alt AQ. The advanced filter directly pops up. Before you use the advanced filter, let us list out the criteria that we have. Let's say I want all the analysts, irrespective of which city, what product, what department, doesn't matter. I want all the analysts. Second criteria, I want people from admin and whoever is working in Hyderabad, right? There are two different completely separate criterias here. Okay, let's see if the Excel can give me the data that I want. Okay, let's press the filter. In the list range, you select the original data. In the criteria range, you select the new table that you have created by yourself and press OK. Here it is. See, I've given analyst and it gives me all the analysts irrespective of what department, what city, what product. Okay, right? So I've given two separate combinations and permutations. So in the first one I've given only analyst, and the second one I've given admin department and whose designation would be an executive. So these are two completely different permutations and combinations, right? Let's explore if the Excel can give me the criteria what I want. Okay, let's press advanced. In the list range, you select the whole table, original table. In the criteria range, you select the table that you have created by yourself. Press OK. Now let's analyze carefully what has it given me. So it has given me all the analysts, irrespective of what city, what product, what department. It has given me all the analysts in the organization. And secondly, in the admin department, I've asked admin with executive. I have got admin with executive 1, admin executive 2, admin executive 3. There are 3 and it has given me all the 3 executives with admin department, right? This is how you use the advanced filter to analyze different permutations and combinations in a table. So that's it for today, guys. Let's see you in different video tomorrow, and please do subscribe for my channel. See you tomorrow. See you in the next video.